Choosing the right products is key to maximizing your affiliate income. You not only want to focus on promoting products that are currently in demand, but you want to get on board during the early phase of launches. Why is this so important? People love launches. The hype, the buzz that's generated throughout the process, and the excitement from others who share the products and discuss what they love most about products all fuels the launch. So, if you get in early, you'll be able to get the most out of your marketing efforts. You want to be ready to promote as soon as the product goes live, beating out competing affiliates who are also promoting it. Makes sense, right? You'll always make more money promoting an active and current launch than you would promoting evergreen products that have been on the market for a long time. This means you'll want to pay attention to product launch calendars. This will tell you what upcoming launches are taking place so you can get prepared. This report is all about making money in 60 minutes or less, so you'll want to look at products launching today, if possible. You can find out what launches are happening at muncheye.com. Inside 60-minute profits, you'll discover the high-speed money-making strategies of the pros. This special report reveals everything you need to know about making money in just 60 minutes or less. This report is only available for a limited time for free at the link below. Grab your copy now before it's gone. Use these turbocharged money-making strategies to maximize your income now. Download this free report in the link below now and discover how to generate hundreds of dollars each day without creating any products yourself. This is one of the leading money-making strategies used by six-figure gurus. Discover the easiest way to boost your income even if you're a complete beginner with zero experience. Start making money with this high-speed profit builder and build a successful online business that will give you the financial freedom you've been looking for. Uncover the insanely easy way to send a flood of instant payments to your PayPal account in a matter of minutes. This one strategy could triple your online income. And much more, all within this special free report. Click the link below to download now.